I'm Georgespratz and I'm in town today to give you some important lessons on how to solo smoothly on 1, 6, 2, 5. Last week I gave you something on how to pick smoothly, but this is how to solo smoothly, okay? And it's so simple. I'm not going to beat about the bush, but go straight to the point. Before you can do that, you have to learn all the shapes of the Chord system, the 5 shapes. So I'm in the key of C, the first shape, the second shape, the third shape, the fourth shape, and then the 5th shape. After that, you learn how the scales are oriented in every shape. What do I mean? If you take a C, do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, C at A, re, mi, fa, sol, la, C at J, re, mi, fa, sol, la. I'm not teaching you this because I've already taught this in one of my lessons here. So you can go through some of my lessons from basic to beginners to intermediate, and this will be very clear and you will get it. Alright, so this is not what I'm teaching. I assume by now you should know this, that if you are in this shape, for example, the G shape of C, this is your major scale. Do, Si, La, So, Fa, Do, Si, La, So, Fa. Alright, you should know it. So if you know this, and you know some other important scales like the pentatonic scale, which is Do, La, So, Mi, Do, La, So, Mi, La, So, Mi, Do, La. And if you know the pentatonic shapes across all the 5 shapes of the Chord system, you are good to go. You are good to go, I tell you. Let me give you a little example on a 1, 6, 2, 5 rhythm like this. I will first of all have to find out my quadra notes. So in a C, for instance, C, I have these are notes of the chord. These are the triad. So I'm going to build my solos based on these. I'm going to make these ones the focal points. Do you understand me? A 2 and the 5 is part of the 2. To have the re, so, fa, then re, do, ti is part of the 5. That's all. I mean, we calculate our solos many a times. entry is very important. So, the major scale. I have done nothing. I just played the major scale. I'm in the G shape of A. This is the G shape. But this is difficult, so I play it this way. Now listen to how I'm going to use the pentatonic scale on this. Shape. Look. Playing the pentatonic scale horizontally. Important. Mi, re, do, mi, la, so, fa, mi, re, do, mi, la, so, fa, mi, re, do, ti. You know. Should I continue? No, I'm just trying to give you basic, and this is how to solo smoothly on 1-6-2-5. First, get your chordal notes and weave something around it. So, I know on 1 I have so on 5, on 6 I have. So I can use the chordal tones only and I'm good to go. Listen, on the first one. So which is part of this? Then La, Mi, Do, La on the 6. Then Re, Fa, La, Do, which is part of the 2. Then So, Re, Ti, So. And if you want further studies, please pick the numbers on the screen and let's do it. I'm teaching beginners, I'm teaching intermediate, I'm teaching advanced students, and I'm having students all over the world, so it doesn't matter where you are on this continent. My name is Georgespratz, and in case you haven't subscribed to my channel, hey, this is the best opportunity to do it. Subscribe to my channel, leave your comments, and share our page to bless others too. You've learned that before you can solo smoothly, you should learn your major scales in every shape of the Chord system. 1. And then you get to know your 5 pentatonic shapes in every shape of the Chord system. 2. 3. Identify your chordal notes or your chordal tones within every chord and target it as your focal point. Play to that. Because me is here, then I started That's it. That is a good start. Some beautiful solos advanced, but I don't want us to go there. Should I? No.